तुम्हें कौन सा?
I don't want to eat this. It looks like.
What are you getting? Isha, what are you getting today? She is getting some mini melts.
Cotton candy, cookies and cream, banana,
Wow.
birthday cake,
Just get cookies and
chocolate,
So many options.
rainbow icing.
Which one the flavor you want? Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips you like? With cookie dough?
Rainbow?
Rainbow?
ice. Ice है, बर्फ
Oh,
होगा
rainbow. That's icy.
पूरा। Rainbow ice नहीं है।
So this is we were here shoe department store, and now
Let's eat something else.
she gonna take something.
What is that?
Cotton candy.
That one?
So we are here at
This is cookies and cream.
Springfield Mall
Banana.
today. Evening. It's Friday evening,
Birthday cake.
and we are here
Birthday cake.
just to check some thing like shoes. We got some shoes for whom? Sanvi.
Cotton candy.
Whom shoes? Like who got the shoes today?
For Misha and Mama.
Mama. But she was looking for shoes, but we didn't get anything. They didn't get anything. So that we are going, and you can see this is
Which one?
machine.
Ice. Rainbow ice. Okay.
Okay, what do you want?
Rainbow.
Give me.
Rainbow and सबसे birthday cake ले लो.
Rainbow.
So you decided yet or not?
7 number.
What is this? Rocks?
Huh? How much?
7 number.
Okay.
3.5 number.
Okay.
Which one? This
अच्छा
one?
आइसक्रीम शॉप में लेगा फिर इसको ले लो. मेरे.
Okay.
कौन सा number? 7 number.
Press 7.
Please select 7. देखो नीचे आया।
Oh. Very good. You got something or not? It's preparing.
Oh, it's preparing inside. Wow.
You can see it's preparing.
वो बना रहा है अंदर।
Oh, got it.
Got it.
What do you got?
Got it. Got it.
What is that? You want to try? Take it, take it. San, give it to Sanvi also. Sanvi. Sanvi wants to eat something. Let's go eat something. Do you want to eat something? You can take something. No, you can take something. So this was our day. So we wanted to update you. So here it is. It's a good mall, but very slow. Like because this is like not like Indian mall. Like so much rush. But you can see it's everywhere is empty. Nobody very less people.
हर वीकेंड इस मॉल में आकर आइसक्रीम खाती थी।
हाँ
It's gone now.
यहाँ दिस साइड में हम लोग एक फ्रेंडली आइसक्रीम थी. Always we were sitting
स्लो
here.
स्लो स्लो स्लो।
This is
ठंडा है.
oh god. Give it to San. Give.
I don't want it. अच्छा नहीं लग रहा.
चीनी।
How's that?
चीनी खा रही है.
It's sugar.
sugar
Most of the
balls.
thing is sugar. It's like
आइसक्रीम
this
भी नहीं है.
some kind of mix. Icy
आइसक्रीम
sugar.
खाने बाहर से पिलाना।
Yes. Want to get something?
सारा
Ritas.
खत्म करना है। नो लीविंग ओके।
अच्छा है.
दे दे दीदी को तब।
No, I don't want it. It don't look
निकाल।
good. It's hard.
This is hard.
आइसक्रीम है.
चीनी की दुकान है ये.
You have
Okay.
to finish
Sabi, you can
everything.
take anything.
No, I
We will
don't
go.
want it.
So you can see nobody is here.
आइसक्रीम नहीं है.
So
मैं सोचा आइसक्रीम है. सोचा आइसक्रीम.
let's go this evening, and it's like 6:30 p.m. almost, and we came here. Still not dark yet. So let's go.
नहीं यार गंदा।
So हम लोग क्या सोच रहे थे कि आइसक्रीम बना रहा है ना, हैं?
Sandwich going yeah.
निशा जब ये खा रही है, हम लोग सोचे कि बना रहा है, जो हमने फ्लेवर डिसाइड किया है, बट दे वर नॉट मेकिंग इट. इट वाज ऑलरेडी लाइक प्रिपेयर्ड थिंग. It was inside, and we have to press the button, and that machine will give it the same thing, right?
Because there's hole because ice cream been there
Ah.
and it's like freezing.
So you liking it or not?
Good.
Liking it or not? So watch your steps and move. They have to do something whenever they're coming to somewhere. And there is like something, you can see, this is a bunny. They are sitting there because it's Easter time. So they're sitting over there like to get some bunny pictures.
There's the
Huh?
they're like super big under.
Huh? So this is all totally empty. Like there's very less people here. So you can see this was the same thing. So बस यही है यहाँ का मॉल, ऐसे ही हल्का फुल्का सा छोटा मोटा. एंड दिस इज चॉकलेट लेन. घूमते फिरते पूरे मॉल में आके यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं इसके टारगेट के सामने हैं.
Which you wanna eat? बताओ क्या खाना है?
A slice of pizza.
उसको रेड चिकन खाना है और रेड चिकन खाना है.
Red chicken.
क्या खाना है?
So this is a very big store in USA. So whenever you want to buy something good stuff, so you can buy from Target. Very good.
Come with me. इसके लिए चिकन ले.
Okay, go there. Go with daddy. Go.
Burger behind you.
अभी तो कह रही 2 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ, फटाक से लेके आ गए.
Yeah, because it was just
Sharing
take and
is
go.
caring.
हाँ.
दोनों
Grab and go. What is this? Show me. Oh, this is General Sauce chicken.
Misha को खाने दो, not ours.
सारा वो नहीं खा पाएगी.
Okay.
अभी घर पे
I
लड़ाई
want orange chicken.
This is orange, same thing.
तो फिर क्या बोला था तुमने?
With this.
Okay, let's try it.
मत खाओ मिशा, फिर throw it.
Leave it. Whatever she wants to eat.
Can I get fork?
Why not get got like? You have to take some pair of spoon or.
Whoa. Whoa.
Careful.
They are
I
hungry.
fart.
सानवी ये नहीं खा पाएगी घर पे खाना.
कैसे खाऊं मैं ये, इससे कैसे खाऊं?
Why not getting? Can I get one more fork?
Get fork लेके आ जा.
फिर I will help you out.
Oh yeah.
Rice
Yeah?
है rice. Take some rice.
It was too hot. No.
सानवी
They got hungry. They
Slow,
came
slow,
from
slow, slow.
school and they ate something like.
अच्छा,
What we prepared today? We ate tahri.
I like play bingo in my school.
हाँ.
अच्छा, फिर से यहाँ आएंगे, फिर
So-
से ले लेंगे.
So they ate something, but they were hungry again, right? Oh my goodness! Look at her face. How about you? Satisfying?
Satisfying.
Satisfying? Show me.
Satisfying.
क्या बोल रही है? फिर से?
Sammy. This is I think second floor, I think, and just to see like after a long time here. Hello. Hey. Ooh. How was that? No. Shh. Stay away. Oh.